Good afternoon, everyone. We are live here today at the Microsoft Accessibility Summit in Hyderabad. I'm Surabhi Srivastav, co-founder of Innovision, a company developing assistive technology solutions for the empowerment of persons with disability. Before we start, I want you to do a small exercise for me. Close your eyes, take out your smartphones, and look up our website, innovisiontech.co. Very difficult, isn't it? This is something that 39 million people across the world face every single day. Accessibility of resources, availability, affordability are a huge challenge for them. As an example, a 1,000-page book for us would cost 1,000 rupees and would be this thick. For a visually impaired person, the same thing would be a set of volumes this high and would cost about 8 to 10 times as much. Similarly, not all material is even printed in Braille. Less than 0.01% of all existing content is available to a visually impaired person. Consequently, over the last couple of years, literacy for blind people has fallen down below 10%, even in countries like the US. Similarly, employment has fallen down below 30%. The assistive technology solutions that are available for them are very expensive. So even a most basic version of a solution would cost somewhere around $2,500, which is almost like 2 to 3 lakh rupees. That's not something that's affordable for an individual in India. We at Innovision are trying to solve this problem with our product BrailleMe. So this device acts as a braille tablet for a visually impaired person. It has a screen made up of electronically moving pins at the top. Corresponding to the 6 dots of a braille character, we have 6 buttons underneath which form the keypad in braille. This is similar to a typewriter. So this becomes an input-output unit with the screen acting as a replacement for a monitor and the keypad acting as a replacement for a QWERTY keypad. The sort of application we are looking at for this particular product are in terms of both education as well as employment. So a visually impaired person could actually use this as a tablet, use it for accessing their entire syllabus, making notes or answering their examinations, spelling, grammar, etc. It could also be used in employment opportunities. So most jobs for visually impaired today are database jobs which have use of computers. So this device, upon pairing with the computer in Bluetooth, allows them to access all the text content there. So I could actually be sitting in my office and a visually impaired person could send me a Gmail email via this particular device. Another benefit of this is that it is multilingual. So we are trying to cater to regional demands and Braille code exists in over 113 languages. We would be providing input for all of those in our device. The core USP of this is that this is the only product in the market which has been built with affordability in mind. So we have developed a patent filed technology which enables us a 10x price advantage over everything that's selling in the market today. So we've actually tested this device over the last couple of years with institutes in both India and the US. Some of these have been a huge help in helping us develop the product. Organizations like NAB as well as XRCVC in Mumbai, Saksham, Sarthak, they've been doing incredible work in the field of empowerment of persons with visual impairment, and they've been with us at every step of the way. We want you to join this cause too. We want to together create a world of inclusion and equal opportunities. With this product, we can actually help bring about literacy, bring about skillability and employment, create an inclusive world, and create an accessible world. We have also been fortunate to get a lot of validation for our particular product and have had this both at a global level as well as an Indian level. ASME has actually awarded us as the best hardware innovation in India, and we are working with Penn State University in the US, which is helping us test out our product. Um, so we are looking for both partners in terms of implementing this product. If you're an employer who hires a visually impaired person, we would want you to test this product for them. If you're an educator who wants to teach, even if you do not know Braille yourself, this would help you empower your kid or your student. And if you are actually willing to join our cause, you could buy a product and donate it to a needy individual. Thank you.